Hi everyone, this is Asa Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And for today, we are here in one of the high-end subdivision and very secured subdivision here in Pampanga. We are exactly at Marketplace subdivision under Ayala. This is very close to Angeles exit as well as the Marquee Mall and Marquee Doctors. Well, anyway, I'm so excited to show you this Muji house for sale. This is brand new. As you can see, you have a very modern facade. And napakaganda kahit yung nasa upper part. Sana nakikita nyo sa video natin na hindi siya painted. It's called yung lime wash, yung may textured pa yung front niya. Ganda-ganda niya sa personal lalo. And then I wanna show you your carport. So since this is under Ayala, napakahigpit nga ng security dito. You don't need yung talagang fence sa pinakabahay nyo. And also, elevated din yung pinakabahay mismo. So, kasya-kasya sa carport nyo yung full-size vehicle kahit yung mga van type na sasakyan. At this hour is around 4:30 p.m. na po. Nang sinut namin yung house. This side is just your access going to your backyard service area. Ito na yun. Single detached yung bahay. Sarap ng hangin. And then nakikita ko may mga provision kung gusto nyo mag-add ng CCTV. Tapos this side, lumipat lang ako is your main door. You have a solid wood and as well as yung smart lock na rin. And another side pala, since single detached yung bahay, nakalimutan ko, is here. You have a spacious area pa dito where you can convert this kahit dipping pool. Pero it's still a spacious area. Irregular shape yung pinaka where the house is standing. Medyo irregular shape siya. Pero dito perfect yung griller or could be a dipping pool talaga. All the way there. So single detached yung bahay. Or continue nyo tong lanay na to. This connects to your dining area. Balik ako sa front. And you'll see, you'll notice na ang lalaki ng tiles na ginamit nila for the house. And yan, let's check what's inside. Alright, wow. Well, nakita ko na yung bahay. Yan. Pivot door pala to. Yan. Welcome to your dream home. Agad is your cozy living area. Kahit yung finish ng pinakabahay, ang ganda talaga, oh. Very attractive yung ginamit nila for the flooring ng ground floor. Yung itsura niya parang naka-marble. Premium finish yung house. Ang ganda. This one, kaya yung 3 to 4. Tama ba? Yeah, 3 to 4. Ito din, kahit yung center table niya, ang ganda. Pagpasok natin, you have your Muji theme sa labas ng bahay. Dito naman, sa living area nyo, parang tropical na. Matches yung gandang wallpaper ng entertainment wall nyo. And the house is furnished. Yung mga nakikita natin sa video na to is included. Including this beautiful side table here na naka-marble talaga. Ang bigat actually. Trinahin ni Mr. K, usog ng konti to position that. So, bigat niya. And this side, siguro could be a parang bay window. Usually sa mga bedroom nilalagay or sa family area. Dito meron kayo dito sa ground floor. So carport. Then you have your natural light. And anyway, may blinds pala to dito. Inangat lang namin. As well as here, you have your deco blocks. Pero may glass panel. Diba? Ito storage where you can put your books siguro. Frame nyo ng mga family. Ang organizing ng mga susi. Anyway, dito naman sa bandang nyo, dining area. Look ko, di ba? Di ko talaga alam kung Muji siya o may touch talaga ng pagka-tropical. So, for your dining area, you have double height ceiling. Chandelier nyo, napakaganda. Or siyang piatos. Oversized piatos. Piatos ba? Pringles! Sorry. Oo, piatos ganun din naman. So, oversized Pringles or piatos siya. Diba? 6-seater sa ngayon. Even yung dining table niya, ang ganda-ganda. And this is the side na sinabi ko kanina, where you can extend your dining experience. Covered nyo yung lanay nyo na to. Tapos may canopy. And syempre katabi ng natin dining is your formal kitchen. You have a very beautiful formal kitchen. You have your breakfast nook. Your sink is over here. And this is one of the house na naglagay ng dishwashing sa kitchen. Ayan. Meron siya dyan. See? And then as well as over here where you can put your... you have your fridge na over there. Pero itong area na to kasi, siguro to keep your garbage over here. Pero hindi another stock room pa. Takpan nyo lang tong na to. Breaker. And then, kahit yung mga cabinet niya naka-laminated, para naman easy to maintain talaga. Punas-punas lang naman yung mga ganito. You have your 4-burner stove. May range hood na rin. And a beautiful that adds accent to the whole ground floor is itong backsplash ng kitchen countertop. Ganda. Ito included. You have your microwave. Ang missing na lang is oven. Tudor fridge. Everything is brand new. Everything is beautifully crafted. And then for this one, you have 3 bedrooms. Yung first bedroom niya is right here. Ang cute niya kasi kung baby boy pa yung anak nyo, yan, bagay na bagay ito sa kanya. Or pwede din namang guest room. You have your air condition unit na and meron din siyang, syempre, window. And also for the toilet and bath, dito siya. This is additional storage. Add ko na lang. Ngayon ko lang ito nakita ng buo. A very spacious storage sa ilalim ng hagdan. And then behind this barn door is the toilet and bath. / for the guest room na rin siya. Very beautiful din. 2 types yung KitKat tiles na ginamit nila for the common toilet and bath sa ground floor. And this area, ito yung pinakalikod. Kanina ko pa na-highlight yung likod, no? Para mapakita ko sa inyo talaga. Ang hangin kasi. Ayan. Well, in future, this could be your dirty kitchen or laundry area na. Pero as of now, ayan, open lang siya. Very open. Oh, automatic canopy pala to. Hindi fully open. Right? And a different kind of main staircase going to your second floor. Well, this area kasi is perfect if you have kids. Diba? You can convert this as their reading nook or your second look kapag palabas na kayo. Na-maximize lahat ng space. Or where you can display yung mga ceramic collections nyo dyan. Tapos, matches nitong mirror, so lahat nagre-reflect. Ang ganda kaya. Ano effect niya dito, oh. Anyway, let's go. Let's explore what's on the second floor. So, siguro di ko na-mention, very spacious din yung parehas ng, size ng staircase nyo. And you have your fixed window sa bandang taas where you can still have privacy habang walang H, habang paakyat kayo sa second floor. Ito parang tribong team. Ang ganda niya, lahat white. Then sa second floor natin, we have 2 remaining bedrooms. Para sang minimal yung rooms niya pero sitting at a huge size of the lot area. For this one, this is your first bedroom. Bedroom pero sa taas natin. Second. Okay. The size of the mattress is queen. Set up na yung sa niya, entertainment wall, and this has suite. Walk-in closet, papunta sa ensuite. Wow! Ang ganda din ng tiles na ginamit. Toilet is over here. Siyempre sa middle yung sink natin. And sa medyo corner yung shower area. Next room. No, open ba to? Ang ganda, no? Layin ko.
Dalawa. Kuha ko isa.
So right here naman, this is where you can... Wow! Ay! Ngayon ko lang to nakita. Ngayon lang ako tumayo dito. This corner pala, you have a paint na tropical style. Tapos kung nakabukas pa yung blinds na yun, ang ganda ng itsura niyan. Okay? That's additional feature of this house. Now, this is your master bedroom. Welcome to your room. This area is my favorite part of this house pala kasi you have bay window at the same time, pwede siyang rest area. Just add a cushion siguro dito. And then as well as storage na siya. Tapos this one, that's the neighborhood. Ang ganda kaya tumira dito sa marketplace. Ganda kasi, yeah, ganda ng neighborhood eh. Siguro masusunog, pero yeah, that's it. Very quiet. Since it's one of the high-end subdivision dito and very secured, talaga. Babantayan kayo ng guards if you visit them, yung mga residential owners. Well, anyway, you have a spacious room, king size for the bed. This is your entertainment area, and come in here, come here. This is your beautiful ensuite toilet and bath. His and her sink, a nice emerald color for the backsplash, and then right here is your closet na pwede akong magtago. Yan. And then right here naman is your toilet and bath. Tapos you have a bathtub. Dito naman yung bandang shower area niya. Okay, yung pinaka-theme talaga ng bahay is yung itong color na to. Cute nito, no? Yung toilet. Yeah. Then for your room pala, you have your balcony over here and then also here. Ito hindi naman balcony pero kaya kasing lumabas ng tao. Bubuksan nyo lang yan. All the way there. Pakita na lang natin via B-roll. Yeah. Baba ako sa ground floor ulit to give you your quick recap. And then before I give you your quick recap, for those that haven't subscribed yet, you can follow us on all our social media page. That's Next Level Properties. Now, again for the house, this is brand new and available for sale located here at Marketplace Subdivision, very close to Angeles Exit and Marquee Mall. The house sits at 270 square meters for the lot area, and you have 240 square meters for your floor area. This is 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. You have your 2-vehicle carport and the house comes furnished. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters, finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Asay Bicolan Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.